Hey guys, this is Aaron from Breakdance Decoded, and on this episode of Ask Aaron, the question is: if you can't do a move that you could do beforehand, do you practice it anymore, or would you give up on it? So it really depends, but for me, I don't like to lose my moves. But I think the deeper question to this question itself is like, why do you want that move, and what is the motivation for you to get it? For example, like I really love like all types of nails and halos, and it sucks for me to lose them. Okay, so usually when I want to learn a move, I would actually ask myself, why do I want it? Do I want to implement it in my set, or is it just for fun? Like, do I just like the move? So if I really just like the move, maybe when I find out that it's actually too hard, I might give up on it. But if you actually use a move that you like and incorporate into your set, that will give you more motivation to chase after the move even after you lost it. It is normal to lose moves if you stop practicing for a bit, but you should always have that determination and understand in your heart why you want that move, and that will give you the positivity and determination for you to chase it right back there and then. Alright, so take a look at all your move set, ask yourself which moves do you like. Are you utilizing it in the right way? Could you use it more often? Things like this. This will definitely help you with the breaking itself. Okay? Peace.